Hello, I wanted to do just a quick official unboxing of what I have sent my members in Patreon for the Everything But the Bees journal tier. And so it's going to come wrapped in some pretty tissue paper. Each pack's going to be a little bit different, but you'll receive your Patreon pack here, a fun little extra note. I've included an extra vintage playing card just for the launch of this new tier. And then you will receive what I have sent to my Orchid Patreon members as well. So a journal topper, a fun little decorated policy envelope that's inked, a library card stamped and inked, a pocket tag with some seam binding, some type of a postcard. Oh, this one has two. We'll just keep them in there. And then a 10-piece journal pack that has just like basic items that you can use in your journals. There's that. And normally they come packaged in an envelope because it's sent in an envelope, but I put these ones in a cute little bag that you can reuse. And then you will get your journal of the month. And this month it is a vintage patchwork style journal. I did a whole flip through of all of them if you want to see. There were pink, blues, and yellows, and they will be sent out completely randomly. So I hope that everyone gets a color that they love. And then they are just lightly decorated, a couple pockets on the inside, and then just a few little sprinkles of decoration throughout with a bunch of different types of papers, normal junk journal style, a couple pockets, envelopes, things like that. And there's between 35 and 40 pages, so it is a great size for like a monthly journal if you do monthly journaling, or you can use it for memory keeping, whatever you would like. And then it has this gorgeous seam binding from my scrap cabin. So I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing this. Again, I'll do a full flip through of all of the journals if you want to see them. And thank you guys so much for the support. If you're waiting to get in and grab a spot, just be on the lookout. They will come. They will be possibly added when I can, and I will announce it when I can as well. So I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye.